Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to you all. Today in this video we'll be looking at fallback and receive function. Alright, so what is a fallback function? A fallback function is a special function that is executed when a function that does not exist in the contract is being called. Alright, and also it is executed or triggered when ether is sent directly to a contract but mh.data is not empty or receive function does not exist in the contract. So that's pretty much about fallback function. We also have a variation of fallback function, which is the receive function. It is executed when ether is sent directly to a contract and msg.data is empty. msg.data is basically the data about your function, argument, and your function selector. So this means that the receive function is triggered when ether is sent directly to a contract, either from a contract or from an account to a particular smart contract that implements the receive function when msg.data is empty. Pretty much it. So let's take a look at how this works. Let's head over to Remix. So now I want to create a new file. Let's call this fallback.sol. And pretty much it. We want to initialize these things. Um, let's call the contract name fallback. Right. Now, to declare a fallback function, right, you basically have to use the keyword fallback, right, with your parentheses. Then, at all times, it has to be declared as external. Um, Pretty much it. So this means that you can send ether directly to this contract when mh.data is not empty, and when a function that does not exist in this contract is being triggered or is being called, the fallback function is called. So to ensure that this contract can accept ether, we have to declare this as payable, and pretty much this is how to declare your fallback function. Alright, also to declare a variation of the fallback function, which is the receive function, is to also use the receive keyword, external visibility, and also payable. Alright, so pretty much how to declare a receive function. Now let's kind of switch this up a little. Let's try to write an event that basically helps us get the difference between the receive and the fallback function, or how it basically works in practice. So let's call this string name, and also let's set this to Ewing gas left. Right, so let's try to emit log. Right, so I want to emit fallback. I also want to emit the gas left basically, and also in the receive function, pretty much want to name this receive, and also the gas left. Alright, having done that, we expect that when a function that doesn't exist in this contract is being called, take for instance function by is being called and it doesn't exist in this contract, is expected to execute the fallback function. And also when we send ether directly to the contract where receive does not exist and also msg.data isn't empty, the fallback function is also executed, right? Pretty much it. Also, this will run when msd.data is empty and ether is being sent directly to the contract. Alright, so let's deploy this and see how it works. Okay, so as you can see, we do not have any function to call, but to go around this, we can use a low level interaction. The first thing we want to do is to set the ether value because we are trying to send ether to this contract directly. Also, we want to set the msg.data and the data value to 0x1234. So this stands as our msg.data basically. So when you click on transact, it basically shows up. And when we check our logs, we have fallback. So it is triggering the fallback function in this case, and because it's the msg.data is not empty, and we're also trying to send ether directly to the contract. So we have the fallback and the gas left. Okay, so let's try to make this empty and send ether directly. basically. So we have receive and also the gas left. So I hope that makes sense. We have been able to look at the fallback function and also the receive function in this video. That'll be all for now, and see you in the next video.